Well, the Delhi Crime Branch has initiated probe in the oxygen racket case. Delhi Crime Branch raided multiple locations in a bid to nab the key accused, Navneet Kalra, who is the owner of Khan Chacha restaurant and Restro bars in Delhi's Khan Market area. Hundreds of oxygen concentrators were recovered in raids on Thursday and Friday. Delhi police have arrested 4 people, but the hunt for the key accused here, Navneet Kalra, is still on. Navneet is accused of hoarding and black marketing of oxygen concentrators. He was selling oxygen concentrators without having proper license. India Today has learned that Navneet was staying at his farmhouse in Delhi's Chhatarpur and had left the place along with his family before cops raided the location.
At a time when Delhi is grappling for oxygen to fight this deadly virus that's ravaged India, here are multi-millionaires Navneet Kalra and Gagan Duggal, who have been illegally hoarding large quantities of oxygen concentrators and cylinders. This inhuman act was exposed by the Delhi police following a tip-off. Cops found 524 oxygen concentrators at Navneet's upscale restaurants and many more at Gagan Duggal's farmhouse. 419 oxygen concentrators found at Negi and Jew Bar and restaurant at Lodi Colony. 96 oxygen concentrators found at Khan Chacha restaurant in Khan Market. 9 oxygen concentrators were found at Town Hall Bar and restaurant in Khan Market. 387 oxygen concentrators found from Duggal's Khullar farmhouse at Mandi village. These concentrators were sold for a whopping 70,000 apiece, while police claim they were bought at 20,000 or even less. Navneet Kalra donned the hat of a philanthropist and in the guise of charity, black marketed the essential commodity. Gagan Duggal, who is said to be the mastermind, allegedly imported close to 7,000 oxygen concentrators from China and sold them on online portals for premium price. Navneet Kalra and Gagan Duggal, who are friends and partners in business, are currently exhausting all powers to prove not guilty. While Navneet Kalra is on the run since May the 6th, and simultaneously pushing for bail, Gagan Duggal is cooling off in London and has appealed to the Delhi High Court to get back his stock, calling this probe ill-conceived and erroneous. The allegations are grave: hoarding essential commodity during pandemic, selling medical equipment from restaurants with food house license, no proper bill, no GST, and using their celebrity status to spread the word. Police have invoked sections of Cheating Essential Commodities Act and Epidemic Diseases Act against the accused. Delhi's society is angry and concerned. Navneet Duggal was a well-known page 3 personality with a great network, often hobnobbing with celebrities and cricketers.
This is a serious case. The man is on the run, he's absconding, and he has hoarded oxygen concentrators, sold it for a much higher price, no license, no bills. This is illegal. And
then he must be punished. He must be punished. There is no two ways about it. Whether I know him personally, socially, friend, no friend, but anyone who does it and is convicted and is proven has to pay for it and has to be punished. There are no two ways about it.
Navneet Kalra's business partners, who co-own the restaurants from where these oxygen concentrators were seized, have feigned ignorance. Co-owners Randeep Bajaj and Navneet Randhawa put out social media stories claiming they had no clue about the oxygen concentrators found at their restaurants. The Khan Market circles are outraged, many calling for boycott of Navneet Kalra's restaurants on social media. As Delhi gasped for breath, this case has left us all to introspect. With Munish Pandey and Nabila Jamal, Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, the fight between the centre and Delhi government over the ongoing crisis as far as oxygen is concerned has now taken a new twist, as the centre claims that the Delhi government does not have enough storage space to store the excess supply of the life-saving gas it has demanded. The centre says that the Arvind Kejriwal government has been unable to deploy the demanded O2, which is causing a delay in the turnaround of tankers sent for supply. The centre further says that this delay is impacting supply for other states as well, and that the management indicates hoarding and black marketing of oxygen cylinders by the state. This as central agencies carried out a survey in top hospitals in Delhi to access their supply of oxygen. As per the survey, hospitals across board have 1.2 times oxygen available of the daily requirement. Agencies further say some hospitals have enough stock to last them for next 4 to 5 days, as the oxygen supply to Delhi was increased by 50% in the last 2 days.
केंद्र सरकार से हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूं कि जिस तरह से एक दिन उन्होंने सहयोग किया और दिल्ली को पहली बार 700 से ज़्यादा टन ऑक्सीजन मिली, हालात इसी तरह रहने तक 700 टन तो कम से कम सुनिश्चित करके रखें। उसके अलावा भी जरूरत है, लेकिन 700 टन कम से कम सुनिश्चित करके रखें।
Well, as India faces chronic shortage of oxygen supplies and ICU beds, the Indian Medical Association has asked the central government to impose a national lockdown to replenish the healthcare system. The IMA has also hit out at the Health Ministry, calling its behavior lethargic and inappropriate. The Indian Medical Association advocates that people's life is more important than the economy. It's also said that it is unfortunate that the government has failed to make the necessary roadmap to ensure stock of vaccines. To stop the spread of the virus, 18 states and union territories have already imposed a complete lockdown, and more than 11 states and union territories have announced a partial lockdown. Delhi and UP have announced extension of the lockdown by another week.
अभी ढिलाई नहीं दी जा सकती, अभी समय नहीं आया है ढिलाई देने का। तो सबका ये मानना है कि अभी लॉकडाउन को और एक्सटेंड करने की ज़रूरत है। जान है तो जहान है। अगर ज़िंदगी बचेगी तो बाद में और बहुत कुछ कर लेंगे ज़िंदगी में। सबसे पहले इस टाइम ज़िंदगी बचाना है। तो इसीलिए सरकार ने आप सब लोगों के फीडबैक के आधार पे, आप सब लोगों की इसके आधार पे मजबूरीवश अभी 1 हफ्ते का लॉकडाउन और बढ़ाया जा रहा है। कल सुबह 5 बजे ये लॉकडाउन ख़त्म होना था, लेकिन अब ये अगले सोमवार को 5 बजे तक के सुबह 5 बजे तक के लिए बढ़ाया जा रहा है और इस बार थोड़ा सा और सख्त किया जा रहा है। कल से दिल्ली के अंदर मेट्रो भी चलना बंद हो जाएंगी। हमारी कोशिश है कि जितना ज़्यादा इसको लॉकडाउन को सख्त किया जाएगा, उतना तेज़ी से हम सब लोग कोरोना